Hello friends, welcome to your channel SK Mechanical Tech. In today's video we will learn how to fit up elbow in a pipe. Stay till the end of the video to watch it completely. So friends, let's start the video. Friends, to fit up the elbow in the pipe will have to be placed on a pipe stand or any plane surface. As you see in this video, friends, there are two pipe stands here. And what we will do on this pipe stand is that first of all we will take the pipe. After placing the pipe has to be made at spirit level as you can see. To fit up the elbow in the pipe, we will put a gap rod on the face of the pipe. Then after placing the face of the elbow with the help of spirit label or plumb. Label car will weld the pipe and elbow at the top and bottom. Then draw a line string parallel to the pipe meeting the face of the elbow and with the help of tape, do measurement at two places such as one at the end point and the other at the start point. Measurement of both would be equal. If so, the elbow and pipe will be at 90 degrees, after which we will weld them face to face. To connect the pipe on the other side of the elbow, we will place a gap rod on the face of the elbow. Then after placing the pipe on the stand, we will level the spirit. After leveling the spirit, we will check the 90 degree of the pipe. To check the 90 degree of the pipe, turn the pipe at the right angle. We will keep it on the face and will measure it using tape at two places, and if the distance at both the places is equal then it will be in 90 degrees and we will do tracking all around. Thank you very much for giving your precious time. If you like, it will boost my morale. If you are new to the video then please subscribe the channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.